Your salary is not the problem. Your system is. Two people earn the same amount every month. One stays stressed, dependent, and stuck. The other builds assets, gains leverage, and slowly becomes free. Same income. Different strategy. If you're between 20 and 35, this is the most important financial shift you'll ever make. Because salary alone will never make you rich. But salary used correctly? That's a wealth machine. Right now, your income probably does three things. It pays bills. It funds comfort. And then it disappears. Next month, the cycle repeats. Salary, expenses, small upgrade, zero balance. That's not wealth building. That's survival maintenance. Here's the mindset shift. Your salary is not for spending. It is seed capital. Read that again. Seed capital. Every month your job hands you fuel. The question is, are you burning it or planting it? Step 1, protection. Before investing in anything, build a 6-month emergency fund. Why? Because desperation destroys intelligence. If one unexpected expense can shake you, you'll never take smart financial risks. Security gives you psychological power. And wealth requires calm thinking. Step 2, automation. The biggest mistake people make is waiting to save what's left. Nothing is left. So reverse the order. The day your salary hits your account, 30% to 50% should move automatically into investments. Not manually. Automatically. No emotions. No excuses. When money requires a decision, lifestyle usually wins. When money follows a system, wealth wins. Step 3, asset direction. Don't just save. Allocate. Divide your investment portion into buckets. Long-term compounding assets. Growth-focused opportunities. Skill development. And a small percentage for calculated risks. Why skill development? Because your income ceiling is directly linked to your skill value. If your skills grow, your earning power grows. If your earning power grows, your investment power grows. That's how the machine accelerates. Step 4, the raise rule. This is where most people destroy their future. They get a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. New phone, better car, bigger rent. Wrong move. Every raise should increase your investment rate first. At least 50% of every increment goes into assets. Lifestyle can grow slowly. Assets must grow aggressively. The gap between income growth and lifestyle growth? That gap is where wealth is born. Now let's talk psychology. The real transformation happens when you stop seeing yourself as an employee and start seeing yourself as a capital allocator. Your job is not your identity. It's your funding source. When salary comes in, instead of asking, "What can I buy?" ask, "What can I build?" That single question separates consumers from wealth creators. Here's how the machine works long-term. Salary funds assets. Assets generate returns. Returns get reinvested. Reinvestment compounds. Compounding creates passive income. Passive income reduces dependency. Reduced dependency increases freedom. And freedom increases confidence. Imagine 5 to 7 years of disciplined execution. Your investments start covering real expenses. Maybe not everything, but enough to reduce fear. Enough to give you options. And options are power. You don't need to quit your job dramatically. You just need to reach a point where you don't fear losing it. That's financial dominance. Most people will ignore this advice because it's not flashy. It's not fast. It requires restraint in a world addicted to upgrades. But if you master this in your 20s and early 30s, your 40s look completely different. Remember this. Salary alone makes you busy. Systems make you wealthy. If this changed how you look at your income, then you're thinking at a higher level now. Subscribe. Because here we don't chase money emotionally. We build machines strategically. And machines build freedom. See you in the next one.